excessive.
Fucking
That's a
lie!
little excessive. CEO is angry.
I'm fucking starving, Swin! What did you eat today? I ate nothing!
Why men are increasingly opting out of marriage. In today's world, marriage rates are plummeting. And it's not just a blip on the radar, it's a full-blown trend. As someone who's observed the cultural shifts through the lens of data, stories, and plain old human behavior, I think men are backing away from the altar from a mix of practical, emotional, and societal reasons. This isn't about bashing marriage or painting all men with the same brush. It's about acknowledging why the institution that once seemed a rite of passage now feels like more like an side quest for many.
If you have a penis, you're going to lose bad. You're going to lose, and you're going to lose badly.
First off, the financial angle is a massive deterrent. Marriage often comes with the specter of divorce, and in many places, the legal system doesn't exactly favor men in those proceedings. Alimony, child support, and asset division can leave a guy financially wrecked, even if the split is amicable. I've seen stats showing that about 80% of divorces are initiated by women. And while that's not a blame game, it doesn't make sense for men. Why sign up for a contract where the penalties for failure are so steep?
You're not the thoughts, but most people identify with the thoughts. So it means you're a slave, you're a zombie to the thoughts, you're a slave to the brain, which means you're not even the chooser. You're the slave to the emotions and thoughts.
In an era where economic independence is king, why risk have your net worth on something with a 50% failure rate? It's like betting your retirement on a coin flip. Modern life rewards individuals, career hustles, personal growth, travel, hobbies. Marriage, with its built-in promise and shared responsibilities, can feel like a drag on that freedom.
People, I just want to tell you how grateful I am to be married to this beautiful Latina woman. Like, she changed my life. She made me become the man I want. Like, I love her. Mami, tú no hablas la puerta. I open the door for you.
Hi,
A woman
Bobby.
like you deserve
so
more
sweet.
than anything. Like, forget about it. Mira tu nalga. Like, everything about her is just precious. Look at her. Like, people, I tell you, this bitch is crazy. Do not get married. She's miserable. She spends all the money. We're in debt. Like, become a pastor. You know, don't get married. You'll be like me. Look at my hair. Like, she's amazing. Like, I love her to death.
This is the longest light ever, bruh.
Wait a minute. They forgot my candy bar.
What?
My candy bar is not in here. We gotta go back.
Man, I'm not going.
Man,
that was in
the
Columbus.
only thing I wanted.
That was the only thing.
All
That was
this
in
stuff is
Col-
yours, man.
Man, we in Cleveland.
It doesn't matter. I paid for the candy bar. I want the candy bar. We gotta go back.
Man, what was that? A Reese cup of gold? Man, you
Man,
must be. I'm
come
not
on.
driving back to no Columbus for no candy bar. Man, this girl.
This is the science behind women being insane. If you take a look at this graph of hormonal cycles, you can clearly see the volatility in women. And this is why they're not rational. This is why they're emotional. This is why they're illogical. This is literally exactly why you can't take them seriously. You have to make every decision for them, and you should never, ever put them in a position of power. You think this emotional and hormonal volatility can handle that? They absolutely cannot, and you need to be in charge.
Cultural changes play a huge roles as well. Traditional gender roles are evolving, which is great for equality, but it leaves some men feeling like the benefits of marriage are lopsided. In the past, marriage meant a partner who handled the home while you brought home the bacon. Now, with dual income housing, the norm, men are expected to contribute equally to chores, emotional labor, and parenting, on top of providing. That's not a bad thing, but for those who feel the emotional and domestic load is imbalance, it can make marriage seems like a more work than rewards. What do you think?
So I'm trying not to fight with my boyfriend for 30 days, and today is day 11 because I have ADHD and I'm bipolar. Okay, I need to be completely honest. So yesterday was the first day since I started this challenge. Yesterday was the first day where I got like really upset. Like I think one of the first days where I was like shaking with rage.
I'll be reading your comments. Thanks.